atake dyan.
One of the Academy's cherished traditions is the annual Alumni Homecoming Parade. It allows cavaliers from different places throughout the archipelago to converge in Luwakan and be given the privilege of trooping the line of the Corps of Cadets, reminiscing the time where once in the youthful years they proudly belonged. Ladies and gentlemen, passing in front of you are the members of the Long Gray Line, the proud sons and daughters of their beloved alma mater, the Philippine Military Academy.
Oh,